Greetings from Obi Nuku Chineke. We are blessed and empowered to be creative and achieve greatness with our brain and 5 fingers. Via the existence of the wind, water and sand, our creator Chukwu Okike Abiyama uses to sustain all human and also monitors the activities on the earth without a mistake. Today is Afo, Market Day in Igbo land. May your day be fruitful. As you are going out to the market or your working place, good things of your request you shall receive, I see. May you have a costumers to patronize your business, I see. You will buy and resells according to the market demand. May the wind, water and sand that sustains all humans guide you and perfect your way of living, I see. May the wind, water and sand that monitors all the activities of every humans fight your battles both spiritual and physical and grant you victory always, I see. May the wind, water and sand that knows heart of every humans grant you inner peace while approaching your creator Chukwu Okike Abiyama through them I see. We are blessed from Obinuku Chineke, aka wind, water and sand, the blessings of the universe. Onye Ndu Ikuku Achinike.